Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. Well, pretty curly, huh? I'm actually here with a review in partnership with the Wig Company. This is a new style by the Wig Company called Fortuitous. This is in the color SS130, which is rooted dark copper. This is a super curly basic cap wig under $100. I'm going to tell you everything I know about it, so stick around. I would like to thank the Wig Company for sending me Fortuitous so I could show all of you. I'm really grateful for their partnership on reviews because I love to bring you budget-friendly pieces. And they have their own line of wigs in addition to selling major name brands like Raquel Welch and Aesthetica and Gabor, but they have their own line of wigs that are budget friendly. And so there are options that are quality and budget friendly if that's what you're looking for. Now, Fortuitous is a new release and it's challenging. I'm not gonna lie. There are some challenges with this one, but if you love curly and you like working with wigs, I think with a little love and attention, this one could be really cute, but there are some challenges. So let's take a look at it from all around and then I'll tell you what my challenges have been. All right, I've actually watched a few other reviews just to see if others' pieces were similar to mine, and I noticed similar challenges with theirs, so I think this is just a product of the style, and so I'm not sure how wearable this one will be straight out of the box. Now, there's always variation in wigs, and so you might get one that doesn't have these same challenges, but the major challenge that I'm having with it, other than just being a lot of hair and a lot of curl, which, you know, that's just personal preference. I know some of you, because I hear from you, that you would love hair like this. So just because some people don't want big curly hair doesn't mean that everybody doesn't. But the one challenge I think we'll all universally agree is something that would need to be worked on is the front. So this is a basic cap wig, and you can really see that cap because of how they did this, and because this section is longer, it's next to impossible to hide unless you work with it. I think you may be cutting some baby hairs into this front section, so taking some of the fibers and just trimming them up so that they'll hang down a little bit and cover that. That is one option. I think, you know, you might be able to take some steam or heat to it and tame down the front here so that it doesn't, what it wants to do is it wants to be big and poofy, and that's really making it hard to hide that front. Another option, depending on the color that you get and your own bio hair, you can always blend your own bio hair with wigs. I don't have any hair to blend, but you could pull some of your bio hair out in the front and kind of fluff it up and poof it up with the wig, and that would hide that hard front. So there are options to making that challenge work. I just want you to be aware of it so that you're prepared to tackle that if you do decide to get this piece. Now, these fibers are heat friendly, so you can take heat to this, which might help as you're seeking to maybe do something with that front or even tame down the curls just a little bit. I have done nothing with this but shake it out and run my fingers through it. This is pretty much how it came out of the box. The other thing that I'm appreciating is this top here isn't too bad. Sometimes on pieces like this, you can see either permatease or down to cap, but I think they did, if you just pick up these fibers a little bit, I think they did a really good job on the top so that you're not seeing cap up there. Let's take a look at this. Like I said, this is a basic cap, also known as machine made, so there's no fancy features. We've got open ear tabs, open extended nape, and Velcro adjusters, and it's open wefted. I would say that this cap is fitting incredibly true to average. It is not, I feel like it's fitting me kind of like a glove. I mean, definitely I have a 22 inch circumference and it's fitting my circumference great. And I do get a little extra cap over the top. I have a very petite over the top of my head. So that tells me that this is really running true to average. Now, the fibers feel incredible. Just perfect. I mean, I definitely think if you had big curly hair, this does look really natural. I mean, look around at people who have super curly hair and then they really play up those curls. with a little TLC and a little styling, I think you could make this one work. That said, this is not going to be for everyone, but what wig is for everyone? I mean, let's be realistic. You know, if you took some clips, as long as you can handle this front, which I think is the major thing, if you took some clips, put some bobby pins in, put some clips in, I think you could do some fun styling with this one. So that's all I have for you. This is Fortuitous by the Wig Company. A little snarl right there. Big, poofy, curly, fun, and budget friendly. Let's get outside so you can see this color outside, because even if this wig isn't for you, you might find another one of their wigs in this color, so it'll be helpful to see that color as well. Before we get outside, let me just tell you about the color inside. I almost forgot to do that. So this is, the color is, what did I say? It was 130, so SS130, so it's a rooted, bright copper. It is so coppery. Bright red, bright copper, sort of a rusty color, and then it has a very, very appropriate shadow root. I mean, the root is not long, it's not pronounced, it just creates a shadow right at that hairline. They do such a good job with their colors. I'm a real fan. All right, now let's get outside so you can see this outside. Thank you, the Wig Company, for letting me show everybody Fortuitous, because somebody out there is looking for super curly hair. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Here we are, watching out for landmines with this color. It's quite windy out here. Yeah, another issue, this really hangs in the face. So working with that, all the things can be fixed. The question is, do you want to fix them? Ooh, bright sun. There's that root. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching.